colour of this sideboard isn't that easy to describe, but most of the tones I would put under ochre, mustard, some definite orange tones in the doors, and that is predominantly what it is. So if you're looking for something that's a neutral but with more interest, this would work, or something that's in the sort of gold and mustard part of the spectrum. The architrave around the doors is the original, very beautiful, like the whole of the cabinet, handmade, hand finished, hand lacquered. All the joints are handmade dovetail joints, so it's a fantastic piece of cabinetry. Inside each of the cupboards, and the cupboards have a divider in the middle, inside each of the cupboards there is a removable shelf, generous storage, and each door shuts with a soft magnet, meaning that the doors will stay shut even if you do have wobbly floors. This is a really beautiful, unique, one-off cabinet which has been beautifully made in the early 1900s in China and sympathetically restored.